Hi friends, welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by Box. I'm so happy to share with you the new box Sakura. This is a limited edition for the Sakura season, the cherry blossoms. It's a Hanami version and everything comes in Sakura pink and it's so cute. Hanami is our annual event. It's a party under the Sakura cherry blossom trees while having a food and drinks. And do you know that the egg is in season in spring? So I'm gonna show you the chilling version of this amazing Fllufy Omurice. Let's get started. Box is a subscription service for Japanese premium snacks. Every time I open the box, I'm so excited to see the inside because it is packed with so many more snacks than I expected. Let's see what's inside. A cute little package of green tea and fluffy and pillowy Sakura busse. This is my favorite pastry. These cute snacks are from all over Japan, and all the snacks comes in different textures and taste. Sakura reminds me of the Japanese phrase ichigo ichie, which means we must enjoy it fully before it goes away. Sakura season is short, so we cook them into food so we can enjoy longer. Sakura jelly has a flavor of sakura with a bouncy texture. When you put it into your mouth, you will immediately feel the flavor is expanding in your mouth. I don't know how to express this sakura flavor, but a very relaxing aroma, and it's not like rose, but has a subtle sourness like cherry. This is Sakura busse. It's a fluffy and pillowy small pastry filled with cherry cream, and it's packed with spring aroma. And the next one I found very interesting is Mount Fuji shaped rice crackers. Comes with 7 different flavors and all of them are so good, and especially I love the matcha flavor. Perfectly crispy, thin rice crackers with slightly sweet and bitter matcha flavor. The next one is savory snack made with burdock roots. Some of you may already know that burdock roots has a strong earthy flavor that we love. It makes a nice snack when you deep fry it, but this particular one is seasoned with spicy cold raw. It's a kind of complex flavor, but it tastes so good. I love it. Discover Japan through the snack. Go to the Box website and get your own subscription box with my 10% off code Princess Bamboo 10. Find the link in the description box below. Now let's make a chilling version of omurice. To make the ketchup rice, please check the previous video. Pack the rice in a rice bowl and set it aside. Before making omurice, let's make the easy pink sauce. This is an easy sauce ready in a minute, but you can use another sauce you have in your fridge. Tomato sauce or brown sauce or even ketchup can make a good sauce. Bring it to a simmer. Season with salt and pepper. Set aside. Beat 2 eggs and add a pinch of salt. Whisk well and add a tablespoon of whole milk. Pass through a sieve to remove chunks of egg white. You don't really have to do this because it makes no difference in terms of taste, but it makes a better look. Now let's finish the chilling omurice. Heat your frying pan on medium low and drop a tablespoon of unsalted butter. Before it melts, pour in the egg mixture. Stir constantly until you get a very fluffy scrambled egg. When you cook it until the halfway, turn the heat off and let it cook on the remaining heat. Now let's assemble. To finish off the chilling omurice, you can just apply the soft cooked scrambled egg over the rice. Cover all the surface of the rice little by little like this. Pour the sauce you have just made and drizzle heavy cream. And sprinkle parsley and paprika, and there you have your amazing look chilling omurice. The ketchup rice and creamy tomato sauce and soft cooked scrambled egg matched so perfectly. I hope you like it. And don't forget to go to the box website to get your own subscription box with my 10% off code Princess Bamboo 10. You can enjoy Hanami wherever you are. Thanks for watching.